someone to talk to, I'm leaving in the morning, so it really doesn't matter. Well, that's true. I left my husband for him, she said, leaning forward in a whisper, her eyes flitting from the doorway to the stairs. And this is what I get. I saw him throw the flowers in the pool. I was watching. And you must think I'm such a fool. No. It depends how long you've known the man. How long have you known him? Today makes a week. And you followed him here, and he doesn't want you? St. William found this fascinating, for she didn't strike him as a woman who was weak. And although he had often been guilty of bad judgment, he instinctively believed in his instincts, which were urging him to offer her his help. Would you like me to say a word? To who? To him. About what? The two of you. Well, remind me of his name again, sweetheart. People call him Bob. I must tell you something. The clock began to peal again. I'm only doing this. I am not doing this because I'm nice. I am not saying I am not nice, but I am not doing this because I am nice. I am doing this because I want you, and I know I can't have you.